Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial for a quick assignment, only 5 problems on the quadratic formula. Just to review really quickly, here is our standard quadratic equation, and our quadratic formula takes the a, the b, and the c, and it puts it into this nice little fill in the blanks formula that allows you to calculate the answer. All right, and so that's the formula we're going to be used to doing those problems. All right, so I'm just going to take that and I'm going to stick it up here in the corner for reference while we are doing these problems right here. All right, so this says solve 4r squared minus 13r plus 6. All right, so here's my A, and here's my B, and here's my C. So I'm going to put negative 13. So notice I'm using parentheses. So that's my B. That's this guy right here. Right there. All right. And then I have plus or minus and this radical sign. All right, and now I have to put in my b again, and that's going to be negative 13 squared. And then I subtract 4, and I have a. So now I need to put in the a, and I need to put in the c. All right, and the a is 4, and the c is 6. All right, and then all of that is going to be over 2 times the a, which again was 4. All right, so let's see if we can figure that out. So I start with a negative 13, so that's going to be a positive 13. All right, and I have this 2 times 4 is 8, so I'm going to put that right there. And now I also have 8 over here. All right, now I have to figure out what all of this stuff is underneath the radical. This stuff right here. All right, and so 13 squared is 169. And then we're going to subtract 4 times 4 is 16. And 6 times 16 is 96. So we're going to subtract 96. All right, so I'll do that little math over here. 169 minus 96. And we get a 3 and a 7. So this is equal to 73. Now I have to keep that under the radical, 73, so that goes there. And there's my answer. All right, now we're going to come over here and put that answer in. Now I hit the plus sign because I have 2 answers. And now I have to put in this answer, so it's kind of a pain. But first I'll go back over here and say our 2 answers are going to be 13 over 8 plus square root of 73 over 8. That's one answer. And then because this guy right here says plus or minus, our second answer is going to be 13 over 8 minus the square root of 73 over 8. All right, so let's go back over here, and I'm going to put in 13 divided, that gives me a fraction, 8, hit the side arrow, plus, and we've got our square root of 73, hit the arrow. Now if I hit divide, it makes it a fraction. All right, so there's 1. And then our next one is 13 over 8, and subtract the same thing. All right, so we're going to have the square root of 73 whoops, I'm going to get the square root. The square root of 73 and divided by 8, and say submit answer. Check to make sure that answer matches my answer over here. I say yes, and we get a green check. So there's 5 of those. Good luck with them.